We're here for the reveal of the Austin versus Dallas bike build-off.
We're hoping to raise some money for motorcycle missions through these bikes. 3, 2, 1, go! I was kind of baptized into the motorcycle world, and through that experience, I found myself healing working on a motorcycle. And so I decided I wanted to share it with others, and particularly the veteran community and first responders.
95% of veterans and first responders suffer some form of PTSD, whether they talk about it or not.
I took a 45 bullet to my throat from 15 yards. Somebody helped me out that day, so I'm here to be a part of what this great organization is doing.
It doesn't matter whether it's police or military or fire or paramedics, we have the same stressors in life, and I think that being able to share those and actually connect with people, you end up making lifelong friends out of it.
Another building going on in Dallas. Definitely this is like a friendly rivalry.
We're gonna build a badass bike. I don't really think there's anything else that needs to be said.
We've had some rough patches, some things not go to plan like most custom builds.
It was definitely really stressful to try to put it all together without scratching the paint. There's a little bit of all of us in this bike.
You're not gonna find any other bike out there that looks like it.
Seeing the paint for the first time after we got it back, working on that exhaust, we were sitting there mocking that up, getting the wheels we wanted on the bike.
I love those headlights. They look slick.
Both of them fired off at the same time. You get this major sense of satisfaction, the completion of something that's beautiful.
They're both just beautiful bikes, and for such a great cause.
They're just having a great time, and they've built something together, and they'll have that with them for the rest of their life.